Happy Friday! I'm Tristan Winder in the News 2 streaming studio at the Morning Pulse here on this December 12th, 2025, 12/12. We begin today with news just into the News 2 newsroom yet this morning. Press release from Great Plains Health indicates that the North Platte-based healthcare facility has identified the most significant areas of focus over the coming months and years. Recruit and retain with healthcare professionals, improve access to medical and dental care, advance community health through prevention, education, and services that reduce chronic disease, preventable conditions, and early mortality as well, increase access to safe and affordable housing, increase access to mental and behavioral health care. This is all part of the Affordable Care Act. Tax-exempt hospitals are required to complete a CHNA once every 3 years. We'll have more details on this later on today, both on air and online. In national news today, sticking in the healthcare world, the U.S. will be ending the year with a possible second surge of the measles cases. According to new data from the CDC, 84 new cases of measles were reported nationwide in just the past week. That's more cases than have been reported in a single week since April, which is when the outbreak was in West Texas and at its peak. But an outbreak in South Carolina is now driving a second surge. At least 11 cases have been reported since October. The vast majority have occurred in unvaccinated individuals. And lastly today, looking at national news and travel statistics, the year-end holiday travel period is expected to set a new record this year. AAA projects more than 122 million Americans will travel at least 50 miles from home from December 20th through New Year's Day. 89% of travelers are expected to take road trips, as national average for a gallon of gasoline has fallen below $3. This year's travel forecast is on track to surpass the 2024 record by nearly 3 million. Rounding out the Morning Pulse for the week with a check of the 7-day forecast. On the heels of some beautiful, warm, seasonable highs and even record-setting highs, we have a little bit of a cool down for us. Today, 34, chillier over the weekend and even breezy, but not to worry, a good chance to get those Christmas decorations secured after the wind early next work week. But for me, I'm behind the schedule. I'm behind the 8 ball a little bit. I need to put my Christmas decorations up yet. I was hoping to do that this weekend. Might be able to brace the cold to do that, but I guess if not, looks like we have another chance early to mid next work week.